Yo, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to take you through the complete setup of a Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal from app to phone to shooting your first video. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film videos of unboxing cool new tech that I use for filmmaking. If you want to check out the unboxing video of this guy here, link up here. I also film videos of DIY projects that I do around the house. If I go somewhere cool, I'm definitely going to vlog about it. And when I'm editing things with Adobe Premiere Elements and I find out something cool, I usually film a tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So in today's video, I want to show you how to set up a Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. This has to be the #1 accessory for anybody using their phone for filmmaking. And these guys have come a long way. I started off with the Zhiyun Smooth Q, which was a wonderful gimbal. And then I kind of graduated up to the Zhiyun Smooth 4. So let's get into the setup. So as much as you want to get inside this box, you can't yet. The first thing you got to do is take your cell phone and go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and download an app from Zhiyun called ZY Play. Make sure that it's an original app from Zhiyun and that the developer, always check that to make sure, but you want the ZY Play app from Zhiyun. Alright, now that you have the app installed on your phone, you want to activate the Bluetooth on your phone. So however you got to do that, make sure your Bluetooth's on. Now that you have the app installed and your Bluetooth is on, it's time to mount your phone to the Zhiyun Smooth 4. And this is a simple process because Zhiyun has included an actual tripod this time. So I used to have to take my Smooth Q and sometimes I could balance it perfectly on the table and sometimes I couldn't. And you don't want an expensive phone to fall over. So grab your gimbal, take it out of the box, take your box, set it aside, take your tripod, attach it to the bottom of your gimbal, basically by screwing it on. You'll see that it is threaded. I'm just going to turn it this way to make it a little bit easier. Get that started, thread that on, and then bam, your gimbal is set up nice and straight and easy to balance. So the first step you want to do is take your cell phone and place it inside the Smooth 4 gimbal, just like so. Have a look at the back here and make sure that your phone is centered. Okay, you want it to be centered in between, so have the same amount on both sides here. Once you've confirmed that, you can unlock the gimbal. Basically click it like so. You'll see it actually clicks locked. That is a new feature to the Smooth 4. Super awesome, by the way. So there you go, unlock your phone. You want to twist your gimbal up to this position and you're going to see that there is a screw right here that you want to loosen. Okay, so that's this guy here. So you're just going to loosen this screw like so. All right, turn your gimbal back up straight. Okay, and you basically want to twist it up into this position. Now slowly slide the arm. You see it moves in and out. You want to slide it over to the left all the way, and you see your phone's going to drop. Once it's over at the left all the way, you just want to slowly slide it back towards the right until your phone balances itself. Perfect, now I'm happy. Once you're happy that your phone is balanced perfectly on its own without any help from the gimbal whatsoever, you want to turn on your gimbal. So you want to press that power button right in the middle here, and you have a battery indicator showing how much charge you have left inside your gimbal. That's also how you know it's on, and you can see the gimbal is actually instantly active. If you want to get using this thing instantly, basically you want to look at these buttons right here, the lock and the pan follow. So you have a lock mode and pan follow mode. Lock is going to lock the gimbal in position. Pan follow is going to move. So let me demonstrate how those work. So right now we have it in the pan follow. So as I turn, you can see that the cell phone is turning. If I put it in the lock mode, no matter what I do, the cell phone stays locked on the subject. So those are the two modes to use a gimbal. And the next button that you want to know about is this thumb button on the back here. If you're doing something like a pan up and you want to control the phone to have it tilt down at the same time that you're panning up, that's where these buttons come into play. So I'll show you how those work. You're going to switch it back to the pan follow mode, and you can see as I turn this down, the actual lens of the camera stays pointed at you. So up here or here, this lens is pointing at you. If I want to tilt the lens down so that it's looking at the top of the table, simply press this button on the back of the gimbal, the bottom button here, and then tilt down. And you can see that the phone is actually facing in the down position now. If I tilt back up, the phone still faces down. If I tilt back up pressing the button, you'll see that the phone pans up. If you want it to pan down, you simply press the button and pan down. So there, now I have the phone facing straight again. If I want to pan down at the table, I hold the button and pan down. The top button is actually for phone go mode. So if you want your gimbal to act super fast, you press the top button, hold it down, and move your gimbal around. So I'll show you how that one works now. So I'm just gonna pop this up straight again. So I have the gimbal in pan follow mode, and I'm going to turn it to the left, turn it to the right. So you can see how quick that reaction is. Now I'm going to hold the button, the top button, turn to the left, turn to the right, turn to the left, turn to the right. So you can see how much faster the gimbal reacts when my finger is on the top button. So if you want to do any pan whip shots, you're going to use the button on the top. If you want to actually control the camera or the phone to actually pan down or up, you're going to hold the button on the bottom. So those are the most important buttons to learn on your Zhiyun Smooth 4 as soon as you grab the gimbal. If you want instant operation, honestly, that's really all you need to know. But let's talk about the app. So the first thing I had to do was download the app. Now we want to pair our Zhiyun gimbal to our cell phone. So head over to their website, have a look at the list of cell phones that are compatible, and you will find out there if your phone is. So the first thing you're going to notice on your new Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal is that you have this big wheel on the side that they never had in the past. This wheel uses Bluetooth to communicate with your phone to control multiple things. The two things that I use are focus and zoom. It's super awesome to be able to be using your gimbal and actually zoom in on a subject controlling your phone. So again, check the website, see if your phone is compatible. If it is, head into the app and connect your phone to Bluetooth. So I'm just gonna pop it out of the gimbal here and do that now. So the device is now connecting. And now you just hit enter to enter the actual phone app. So I'll pop the phone in here. Okay, slide it over. Perfect. Instantly balanced again. Okay, so now you can see the setup that I have here. But I just want to show you the actual mode to zoom in. So I'm just actually turning the wheel and you can see it's zooming in. Turn the wheel out and it zooms out. So that is a super amazing feature to have with this gimbal. So aside from the wheel, there's a couple other great features you can use now that the Bluetooth is connected as well. So the buttons on the front here, if you click this target button, that's actually going to switch between focus mode on the wheel and it's going to switch between zoom mode. So you can see on the display of the app, when you click it, it's changed to autofocus, and I click it again and it's changed to zoom. The other button, quite obvious, is your record button. So as soon as you press that, it's gonna put it into recording mode. Turn that off. You have a photo button to take a picture. And then you have your display button. So if you press display, that just kind of cleans up the display at the top. You press it again, you get more. So you have your menu button at the top, click that, and that's gonna take you into the menu of your Zhiyun Smooth 4. By turning this wheel here, that navigates you through that menu, and pressing the middle button will actually activate that menu. If you want to activate the flash outside of the menu button, you just press this and it's actually going to turn on the flash of your phone. So you can see there, my flash is turned on, and then click that again and it's going to turn it off. So I hope this video helped you quickly set up and use your new Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal. If you like this video, make sure you head down below and hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.